everyone! Have you noticed something strange with the Temu free gift? Some people unlock really good items, while others barely see anything exciting. Same app, same feature, very different rewards. So what's actually going on? Let's break this down clearly. Before we dive in, I've placed the working Temu free gift code right here on screen. It's also in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes that are still active. Now here's the interesting part. Why are their rewards better than mine? This is one of the most common comments I see. My gifts are cheap. They got better stuff. Why is mine different? And no, it's not random luck like most people assume. Temu doesn't show the same rewards to everyone. Temu's system adjusts what you see based on multiple factors, not just one. Things like account age, region, activity patterns, promotion timing, past interactions, all influence reward visibility. 1. New versus existing accounts. New users often see bigger looking rewards, more aggressive offers, higher perceived value gifts because Temu uses stronger incentives for new account engagement. Older accounts, usually more conservative reward options. 2. Regional promotion differences. Temu campaigns vary by country market inventory active events, which means users in different regions may see completely different free gift selections. 3. Timing matters more than you think. Rewards often fluctuate depending on active promotional cycles, seasonal campaigns, event refresh periods. 2. Users checking at different times can see very different offers. 4. User behavior signals. Temu may also respond to how often you open the app, which features you interact with engagement with promotions, session activity. More interaction not equal guaranteed better gifts, but inactivity can reduce reward visibility. Why it feels unfair. From a user perspective, you compare rewards online. Yours look weaker, feels rigged. But what's really happening is dynamic offer targeting, very common in e-commerce platforms. How to improve your chances. While nothing guarantees premium rewards, you can use updated free gift codes, enter through promotion flows, stay active during events, check during new campaign windows, avoid long inactive gaps. Small optimizations help. The honest truth, Temu free gift rewards are real, variable, personalized, promotion-dependent, not identical for everyone. So if someone got better rewards than you, it's usually not luck. It's account context, plus timing, plus system targeting. If you've noticed differences in your rewards, comment below. Did Temu show you something good or disappointing? I'm curious to hear your experience.